The new Ferrari Amalfi, a front mid-engine V8 2 Plus coupe that replaces the Ferrari Roma in the Prancing Horse lineup, was unveiled. The Ferrari Amalfi redefines the concept of contemporary sportiness, combining high performance, versatility, and refined aesthetics. Designed for those who want to enjoy sporty driving without sacrificing comfort and style, the Ferrari Amalfi stands out for its unprecedented balance between adrenaline and everyday usability. The car's design stems from a fluid and minimalist approach, with sculpted volumes and clean surfaces that express modernity and dynamism. The front is dominated by a large air intake and a long, sculpted bonnet housing the 640 CV turbo V8 engine. At the rear, the integrated active spoiler contributes to high-speed stability, while forged wheels and carbon fiber details complete a sporty and sophisticated aesthetic. The Amalfi retains the Roma's wheelbase and basic proportions, with the front end being the most immediate tell that this is a new model. The Amalfi adopts the F80's consciously non-anthropomorphic style, with no grille and the bodywork between the headlights blacked out to avoid the two eyes and a mouth visual. The spokes of the wheels appear solid from the front, but the backside of each spoke is hollowed out, which saves some weight, sure, but also looks cool. The Amalfi's short rear deck lid conceals a motorized spoiler that operates in 3 positions: down for low drag, medium, and high downforce. In the last position, the spoiler makes 243 pounds of downforce at 155 miles per hour. It's fully automatic, so you can't just raise it for profiling at the Spago valet line. Within the Amalfi, Ferrari claims there's a greater feeling of spaciousness, even though total volumes haven't changed. What is altered is designers have revised and lowered the center console, which is now milled from a single block of anodized aluminium. The familiar gear selector gate, key holder, and a wireless phone charger pad are all present. Ahead of the new central tunnel is a 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment that runs Ferrari's latest software and works with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The 15.6-inch digital instrument cluster, meanwhile, is combined with an 8.8-inch passenger display. Since the Amalfi is made for grand touring, rather than going flat out around a track, the Italian carmaker will offer not 1 but 3 different comfort seats that are tailored to your size. The comfier ventilated pews come equipped with 10 different air chambers that provide a massage function. Finally, if you tire of the twin-turbo V8 soundtrack, Ferrari offers buyers the choice of a 14-speaker 1,200-watt Burmester sound system. Expect the Ferrari Amalfi to start around $275,000, a price that's sure to balloon with customizations and additional performance hardware. The new 2+2 coupe goes on sale next year.